This video is sponsored by the brand Antifir.
So I just got this foldable wagon from Antifir assembled, and in this video I'm going to go over some of my favorite features, and the first being that assembly process. There literally is no assembly to it. Basically just got to put on the wheels and you're good to go. Another thing I love about this wagon is going to be how easy it is to use. So all you got to do is push it down just like that and you're ready to go. When you're done using it, pull it up, put it in your car or whatever. It's really that easy. So fold it down, ready to go. Handle on the front is going to be expandable if you need to do it. Wheels here, they can easily be locked. All you gotta do is push this down and you lock them up. And what I love about this cart, and it's kind of a perk, I've reviewed a lot of these and they don't have this, is the back. Lift it up, you got yourself like an open tailgate, which I think is pretty cool. When you're done using it like that, put it on there, lock it up. So this can be very versatile. Personally, I use this wagon when I go to softball, but if you're going to the beach having picnics, maybe you got a kid you got to pull around, it's going to be more than enough and work perfectly for that. Storage on the side here, and like you saw on the front, 2 water bottle holders. So like I said, the thing is super versatile. I use it in softball, but you could use it for a bunch of different things. The wheels are big enough if you want to bring it to the beach. We're going to use it this summer. So super happy with this. I give it 2 thumbs up.